following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department. A strange event is taking place in the entire state of Maryland. There are reports of unidentified humanoid-looking creatures located in all of the forest areas in the entire state. The creatures have not attacked anyone, however you are advised to stay indoors for the night and don't go outside unless you have a valid excuse. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department and the Department of Paranormal Research. The creatures mentioned in the last alert are now attacking local civilians around the state. Make sure to board up your home, close all windows and fireplaces, turn off all lights and air conditioning units. These creatures are attracted to light, sound, heat, cold, and have the ability to walk through walls. If you see any of these creatures in your home, don't make eye contact with them. It is unknown what they will do to you if you look at them at this time. Remain calm at all times, panicking will make the situation worse. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department and the Department of Paranormal Research. Reports have come in, claiming that these creatures have begun to form mouths with rows of sharp teeth. These creatures also have formed red glowing eyes. Paranormal researchers have theorized that these creatures could be a form of shadow people. Reports have also indicated that when these creatures are looked at, they make you violent and attack other people. At this time, all residents are asked to remain in their homes and hide in a closet, bathroom, or other small room in your home until the all clear has been given. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department and the Department of Paranormal Research in conjunction with the Department of Emergency Management. The shadow-like creatures are attempting to hack into the emergency alert system. For the next hour, we will be going off the air. Please listen to any other news outlets for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of you. Yes, you, all of you humans. Your time has come. You all think that you're the superior to all other beings in the world. No. You're all wrong. We were here before you. And even yet, you all have a hunter's instinct to enjoy the pain of others, even their deaths. You're all no better than sin itself. And for those even lucky enough to escape us, you will still perish. So don't keep the devil waiting. You will be punished, tortured, and live the rest of eternity in hell. Farewell.
We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Bureau of Investigation in conjunction with the Department of Paranormal Research. The shadow creatures were still able to broadcast a haunting message even though the emergency alert system was off air an hour earlier. Don't believe what the creatures have told you. Also, the creatures have spread it all across the United States of America. Everyone is asked to shelter in place. To shelter in place, you must go down to the basement of your home or lowest point of the building you're in. If you're not in a shelter, please find one now. Make sure you have enough food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio to keep you up to date. WTHL all news related to this event. The National Guard is being dispatched to deal with these creatures until further notice. The emergency alert system has been activated. All clear. Repeating. All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The shadow creatures have all disappeared around 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is unknown why at this time. However, it is now safe to exit your shelters. If you're not home yet, you are being asked to go home, and everyone in the United States will have the rest of today and tomorrow off work and school. Do not worry though, everyone will still have working internet for online video games, online videos, and social media. Also you will all still have access to cable TV, and satellite TV. Everyone is asked to take these days off, remain home and relax. Right now, everyone is asked to go home and go to bed. Good night to everyone in the United States from the emergency alert system. This concludes all operations of the emergency alert system.